Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 018 underscore Raymond Survey John Jute. Okay, dear students, you may feel some difference in the starting pattern of our current module. Okay, what is this different pattern? Actually, we have so far undergone 17 regular modules. Out of these 17 regular modules, some modules were selected from the book Survey Jute. This book is written by two authors. Okay, Survey Jute is also almost quite sufficient, but full name of these two authors is still longer. Okay, Raymond Survey John Jute. This is still not full two names. Okay, however, simply Survey Jute is also quite acceptable and understandable because it is a very famous book whose title is Physics for Scientists and Engineers. Okay, this is it's a ninth edition. Probably now 10th edition is in market, but we are following it's a ninth edition. Okay, so now we come towards the statement. A solid piece of lead or lead, whatever may be the true pronunciation, a solid piece of lead has a mass of 23.94 gram and a volume of 2.10 cubic centimeter. From these data, calculate the density of lead in SI units, that is kilograms per cubic meter. Dear students, in our earlier modules we have dealt with only length. Okay, that is, we have simply converted meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter, but here volume is involved, cube is involved. Okay, so here the actual conversion factor will be different. Here conversion factor will be different as was in case of length, where 1 meter was equal to 100 centimeter or 1 centimeter was equal to 1 over 100 meter, that is 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. But here because cube is involved, so here conversion between meter and centimeter will not be of 10 raised to the power 2 or 10 raised to the power minus 2. Okay, because when we will convert meter into centimeter, 10 raised to the power will be different, and when we move conversely, then power that is 10 raised to the power 2 may fluctuate from minus 2 to plus 2 in case we convert from meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. But here, because cube is involved, so the converting quantity will not be 10 raised to the power 2 or minus 2. Rather, it will be 10 raised to the power 6 or 10 raised to the power minus 6, because here cube is involved. Okay, so 10 raised to the power 2 will be multiplied with 10 raised to the power 2, and it will again be multiplied with 10 raised to the power 2, and resultantly we will use 10 raised to the power 6 or 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, so this thing will be dealt in detail in the next slide, where we will discuss its solution. Okay, now we move on to next slide where solution is given. Solution: given data is in gram and cubic centimeter, while we need result in kilogram and cubic meter. We know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, when 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, then 23.94 gram will be equal to 1 over 1000 into 23.94 kilogram, which will be alternatively equal to 0.02394 kilogram. Okay, one thing is solved. Okay, mass has been converted to desired scale. Okay, now we come towards volume. Okay, we know that, we also know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or in other words 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 over 100 meter, that is 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. Taking cube on both sides. Okay, because here volume is involved, cube is involved, cubic centimeter, cubic meter is involved, therefore we take cube, that is power 3 on both sides. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter whole cube, which is alternatively equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, so dear students, difference is quite obvious, that in case of length, conversion between centimeter and meter is 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. But in case of volume, where cube is involved, conversion is 10 to power minus 6. Okay, now when 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 cubic meter, then 2.10 cubic centimeter will be equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 into 2.10 cubic meter, which is alternatively equal to 0.0000021 cubic meter. Now we move on to next slide. Dear students, we know that density is denoted by symbol rho, which is to some extent similar to P, but never P. Okay, this is rho. Density rho is equal to mass over volume. Mass is 23.94 gram. Volume is 2.10 cubic centimeter, which is alternatively equal to 0.02394 kilogram divided by 0.0000021 cubic meter, which we have already converted in previous slide. So we have just put values. Okay, we have done nothing else. Okay, this is alternatively equal to 11,400 kilogram per meter cube. Dear students, to this extent our answer is almost 100% okay. Okay, our answer is 100%. Okay, if we tell that answer is 11,400 kg per meter cube, now we can further convert it in some other form. We can change its design, say. So different designs can be drawn from this single one. Okay, it can be written as 1.14 into 10 raised to the power kg over meter cube. It can also be written as 0.114 into 10 raised to the power 5. It can also be written as 11.4 into 10 raised to the power 3 kg over cubic meter. Okay, so that is all. This is all. Uh, Question is solved, 100% problem is solved. Or alternatively, now we repeat the above calculation in a slightly different pattern as under. Okay, actually at this level there is no such need, but even if it is repeated and time is wasted, we should not say that we have wasted time. Okay, because some students may be of such caliber that such minute minor things may be very helpful for them. Okay, rho is equal to mass over volume is equal to 23.94 gram over 2.10 cubic centimeter is equal to 23.94 over 1000 kilogram over 2.10 into 1 over 100 meter whole cube, which is alternatively equal to 0.02394 kg over 2.10 over 1,000,000 cubic meter, which is alternatively equal to 0.02394 over 0.000021 kilogram over cubic meter, which is alternatively equal to 11,400 kilogram over cubic meter, which is alternatively equal to 1.14 into 10 raised to the power 4 kilogram over cubic meter. Okay, once again the same answer has been reached. This is for just a repetition of the above step. Okay, for making concept clear. Okay, now we move on to our next session, which is usually called as additional note. In this additional note, nothing is given but a table is reproduced in which densities of common substances at standard temperature and pressure are given. Okay, this table has two columns. Okay, it could be expressed in one column, but in that case its length had increased. It is better if it is in two columns. Okay, now dear students, at right column, at second place, then the density of lead is given as 11.3 into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay, now we move on to next slide, in which another table is shown, and this table is about volume. In this table, at second row, it is given 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 cubic meter. Okay, we do not discuss the remaining part of this table. We only read that portion which has been used in our module. what thing has been used in our module to solve the problem? That thing is given in the second row of this table, where it is expressed that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 cubic meter, because upper there is written cubic meter, cubic centimeter, and remaining. Okay. And I think this is enough for this module. Okay.